find the derivative of 2 over 7 times w to the power 5 plus 8 times cube root of w with respect to w. Let me rewrite this problem first. So we have given to differentiate 2 over 7 times w to be 2 over 7 times w to the power 5. So that can be rewritten as 2 over 7 times 1 over w to the power 5. In the same way, the second term can be also rewritten as 8 times cube root of w, that can be changed into w to the power 1/3. I want to change into the exponent form because in that way we can use the power rule. Otherwise, to directly deal with the radical, we then have the basic differentiation rule, right? So that's why I want to change that into the exponent form. So let's do that, and then I can little bit rewrite this as 2 over 7 times 1 over w to the power 5 can be written as w to the power minus 5 if you want to change it into the negative exponent, plus 8 times w to the power 1/3. Why am I writing down into this form? You can clearly see if I write down in this way, I can use the sum rule to find the derivative of the sum of these two functions, and at the same time w to the power minus 5 and w to the power 1 over 3, both of them can be that their derivative can be figured out by using the power rule. So why don't we let's apply that. All right, so this is now our problem, right? So let's try to work on this. So let's first find the derivative of the first term, right? So the derivative of 2 to the power, let's try to find the derivative of the first term, which is we need to find the derivative of 2 over 7 times w to the power minus 5, plus we need to find the derivative of 8 times w to the power 1/3. And the derivative of the first term can be figured out by using the constant multiple rule. We can take the constant 2 over 7 out, right, times, and just find the derivative of w to the power minus 5 by using the power rule. That will be negative 5 times w to the power negative 5 minus 1, right? In the same way, we can find the derivative of 8 times w to the power 1/3 as it is a constant, right? Write down as it is, times the derivative of w to the power 1/3 will be 1/3 as it is, and then w to the power 1/3 minus 1, right? So by using the power rule. All right, so this is the derivative, but if you want to simplify and then rewrite, this can be written as negative 5 over 7 times w to the power negative 5 minus 1 will be negative 6, plus 8 over 3 times w to the power 1 over 3 minus 1 will be, what will be that? Negative 2/3. So this would be the simplification of the given, the derivative of the given function. So this is already the derivative, but still if you want to rewrite this into the positive exponent form, then this can be written as negative 5 over 7 times w to the power 6 plus 8 over 3 to the power 3 times w to the power 2/3. Or if you still want to change this into, for example, the second term actually can be changed, this one can be changed into the exponent form. So this can be written as 8 over 3 times cube root of w square. So this is already the derivative of the function. If you want to rewrite into this form or in the positive exponent form, or also want to change the exponent into the radical form, we have couple of alternatives. So that is the derivative of 2 over 7 times w to the power 5 plus 8 times cube root of w. So this is the required derivative.